Hi there. I know that some of you may be having some trouble formatting the page number in the top right corner of your document. So I wanted to just walk you through those steps. So first you click Insert, and then you select the option Page Number over here. You click on that, select Top of Page, and then the third one down right there. So when you have your cursor blinking in front of the grayed out number, you type your last name and hit the space bar and then hit close header and footer. So steps again: insert, page number, top of page, third one down, and then you would type your name, close header and footer, and then that page number will be there. If you go to page 2, you'll see your last name, page 2, and so on. A common mistake that people make that you want to avoid is to hit insert and then header and go from there. That will not give you page numbers. What that will do often is create the last name and page 1, and then every page will say page 1. So don't do that. Click insert and then page number and then go from there. Okay, hope that helps.